Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. Next topic is replace lower character to upper character and upper character to lower character of a given string. Lower to upper and upper to lower of a given string. So I am taking one string. So by using functions concept, by using call by reference. So here I am entering small a, small b, small c, small d, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, next null character. Here the address is 500. Next one is 501, next to 502, next to 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508. Here the base address of an array is some 500. Here array name is str. Here you have to pass the address of character. So this one is, first you have to think about the function declaration, function calling. Here the function name is string upper lower. Here I am taking the char asterisk of ptr. Here you have to check the given character is small alphabet or not. So within the, if asterisk ptr value greater than or equal to small a and asterisk ptr value greater than or equal to small a and less than or equal to small z, then you have to convert this one into lower alphabet. So difference between small a and capital A is 32. So asterisk ptr value is asterisk ptr minus 32, then it gives the capital A. Else if asterisk ptr value is greater than or equal to capital A and asterisk ptr value less than or equal to capital Z, then this is capital A. You have to adding plus 32 means it is converted into lower alphabet. So asterisk ptr plus 32. So first starting ptr value is 500, asterisk ptr is 500 address variable a. So a is greater than or equal to small a is greater than or equal to small a, true, and small a is less than or equal to small z, yes, true. Then asterisk ptr value is decrement by 32. That means this value is converted into capital A. Next ptr value is 501. Here you have to write the loop. So asterisk ptr, you have to continue this up to the null character. This is the loop. You have to close the loop after this statement. Next PTR value is 501. So asterisk PTR is 501 address variable B. So B greater than or equal to small a true and small b less than or equal to small z. Yes, condition true. This should be decrement by minus 32. That means this value should be capital B. Next PTR is incremented. PTR value is 502. Next is PTR value is 502. So asterisk PTR is this variable, that is small a. Small a is greater than or equal to small c is greater than or equal to small a and less than or equal to small z. Yes, condition true. This should be decrement by minus 32. This value is capital C. Next PTR is 503 D. Asterisk PTR is D. If this condition true, this should be capital D. Next PTR value is incremented. Now PTR value is 504. So asterisk PTR is A. Asterisk PTR is greater than or equal to small a and less than or equal to small z. This condition failed. Then else part. Within the else, once again we have to check the condition. So capital A greater than or equal to capital A and capital A less than or equal to small z, capital Z. Yes, condition true. This statement is executed, decrement by 32. That means this should be small a. Next PTR value is incremented. Now the PTR value is 505. So asterisk PTR is B. So B greater than or equal to small a and B less than or equal to small z. This condition failed. Then else part, B greater than or equal to capital A and B less than or equal to z. Condition true. This should be decrement by, this should be added 32. This value should be small b. Next PTR value is 506. Asterisk PTR is C. This condition failed. This condition true. This should be adding +1. So this value should be changed to small c. Next PTR value is incremented to this one. Now asterisk PTR is D. So this condition failed. This condition true. This should be changed to small d. Next PTR value is null character. Null diff ASCII value is 0. Condition false, out of the loop. Okay. Now we have to write this code. So alt F new F2. So file name is upper lower dot C. Void main. Here char str of some 30 is equal to small a b c d capital A B C D. So clear the screen, CLR SCR. Now you have to think about the function calling. Function name is str upper lower. Here you have to pass the address str. This is called function calling. Now we have to declare that one. Return type, no return type, void. Function name is str upper lower LWR. So str is which type? Str is a address, character address. So char asterisk. This is called function declaration. Now I have to write the function definition. Function name upr lower, type is char asterisk of ptr. Now str base address 500 is copied into asterisk ptr. Now you have to write the check asterisk ptr each character ptr plus plus. Now you have to check if asterisk ptr is greater than or equal to small a and asterisk ptr less than or equal to small z. Now asterisk ptr is equal to asterisk ptr minus 32. Now head to if else, once again check the condition, if asterisk ptr greater than or equal to capital A and asterisk ptr less than or equal to capital Z. If this condition is true, then asterisk ptr is equal to asterisk ptr plus 32. So after completion of this code, once again control goes to main function, print that one puts of str. So this is also call by reference. Here we are passing addresses. This is also called call by. So F7 Windows watch, debug this code, watches remove all, debug watches add watch. Here I am giving str and ptr. So F7 garbage values small abcd capital abcd. Whenever control we are calling this function, control goes to this function. This str value should be copied into ptr. Now the ptr value is abcd. So here also I am giving asterisk ptr. So asterisk ptr. So starting ptr is small a, asterisk ptr is small a. Ptr is base address, asterisk ptr is address variable. Small a is equal to small a. Yes, condition true. This should be replaced with, change it to capital A. Next ptr is b, small b. Yes, condition true, change it to capital B. Now this is changed to capital B. Next ptr value is c address. Asterisk ptr is c. Ptr is c variable address. This true, this should be changed to capital C. Next ptr value is next address, d address. Asterisk ptr is d. This condition true, change it to capital D. Capital D. Next ptr is next address a. This condition failed. Now you have to check here. This condition is true, converted into small a. Small a. Next one, this address. This is false. This is true. Change it to small b. Small b. Next small c. Next small d. Next pointing to null character, condition false, out of the loop. After completion of this execution, control goes to main function. Next this statement is executed. This our string. Here we are indirectly change this string. That means we are passing these values from this to this function. This memory is deallocated, capital ABCD, small abcd. That means indirectly we are returning 8 values from this function to this function. So Alt F5. So this one is printed. So sometimes some members are forget to write the else, then this one is wrong. This one is wrong. You have to run this code, alt F5, yes, control F5, alt F5. So capital ABCD, capital ABCD. This is the wrong. So should be else if. You have to check the condition once. So in this case, if you forget to write else case, first small abcd, small abcd, small abcd, small a, this true, this one is converted into uppercase. Next small b, this one is converted into uppercase. Once again, now this is uppercase. So alt F9, yes, control F9, alt F5. So F7, Windows, watch. Debug this code, small abcd, converted into capital ABCD. Once again, star PTR, converted to capital ABCD. Once again, capital ABCD. So once again, now this one is capital ABCD, converted into lowercase. So here by mistake, if you write this one is within the, these two are different statements, that's why you have to write these statements. So we get wrong output, that's why I am debug this code. So this one, first small abcd, here the small abcd, first this one is small abcd, small a is copied here, non true, condition true, small a is converted into capital A. Once again, this one is capital A now. Now the capital A is greater than capital A, as condition true. Once again, this is converted into lowercase. So F7, once again debug this code. So look at here, this is capital small abcd converted to capital ABCD. Once again, capital ABCD is converted into small abcd. Next B, this B is converted into capital ABCD here. Now this capital ABCD is converted into small abcd here. So here this code is converted capital ABCD. Now once again, small c is converted into capital C. Now this code converts capital C into, once again, into small c. Once again, small d, this code converted into capital D. Next, once again, this code converts capital D into small d. Next, capital A, this condition failed, control goes here, converted into capital, small. Next, once again, capital B, this condition failed, this one is converted into same capital B. Capital B is converted into small b. Next, capital C, this condition failed, here capital C converted into small c, d. When control goes out of this one, all the strings should be lowercase. F7, Alt F5, all strings should be lowercase. Whenever we are writing else in this statement, else, now either this part or this part should be executed. So if else if is a single statement, that's why this curly brace is optional. This curly brace is optional. So Alt F9, yes, Control F9, Alt F5. This is converted into lowercase to upper and uppercase to lower. So if you write like this, now if you write if else if this condition is true, this single statement is executed. So this single statement is executed. After completion of this loop, at the end, these are two statements. This one is one statement, this one is another statement. If a body can contain more than one statement, you have to write within the curly braces. So Alt F9, yes, Control F9, Alt F5, small abcd, small abcd. So this one is not converted into lower to upper, upper to lower. So here I am writing else if. Now this one is single statement, this curly braces is optional. So still you have any doubts? Refer once again. Thank you for watching.